Alright, let's expand and simplify this expression. So first off, I want to multiply the 2 to all the terms in this set of brackets. So first, 2x squared. 2 times negative 3x would be minus 6x. 2 times negative 4, so minus 8. And then I want to multiply the negative 3 to all the terms inside this set of brackets. So first, negative 3 times 4x squared would be minus 12x squared. And negative 3 times negative x, so positive, plus 3x. Negative 3 times 5, so minus 15. Then I find all the like terms. So in this case, we have 2x squared and a negative 12x squared. Putting them together, we have negative 10x squared. And then we have the negative 6x and the positive 3x. So putting them together would be negative 3x. And I have the negative 8 and then negative 15. So adding them together would be negative 23. And that's it.